This is BMW E90 3 Series from 2006 and up. To remove the airbag, steering wheel airbag, you need a flathead screwdriver. There's two holes. Both sides. You need to insert the screwdriver so it heads all the way down and touches this tab, the spring. You do it on both sides and the airbag pops down. So the screwdriver is flat against the metal. It's easier if you feel the metal and just go all the way until it stops. If you go too far, you went too far, it's about 2 inches down from the hole. When the airbag pops, careful, disconnect the one plug. You can disconnect either 2 plugs from the airbag and the ground wire, or just one main plug from the clock spring. To remove the wheel, it's a 16mm. Wheel comes out. To remove the clock spring on the switches, it's a 225, and that's it. This is the spring from the back. You could try to use like a curved screwdriver to slide it from the back of the clock spring and push it, but you need lots of light to see it.